Whirling right over my shoulder here, what's being called a superstorm tonight. Hurricane Sandy is more than 200 miles off the coast and is about to crash into two other systems when it makes landfall. And look at this picture tonight. This is from space, from NASA. It's a massive storm, 1,000 miles across. And long before it makes landfall, sometime tomorrow night, it is already being felt tonight all along the coastline. Whipping winds and rains have already flooded many communities.
A flash flood. I live on a hill, whatever.
Look at this. Oh my gosh, my house might flood. Do you have any worries about Hurricane Sandy approaching?
Not really.
Do you believe this might be the biggest hurricane since Hurricane Katrina?
I was pretty young, so I don't remember.
Are you prepared for this hurricane?
Not really. We just got a few supplies here and there.
The East Coast is being pummeled with the power of a record-breaking superstorm.
Oh my God, it's washing everything away!
90-mile-per-hour winds, driving rain, record-breaking high tides, and rough surf lash the coastline.
How long did you lose power for?
We lost power for 3 days.
Do you think Hurricane Sandy was going to be as big as it was?
No, I didn't expect it to be that catastrophic.
Do you think the hurricane was going to be as big as it was?
No.
How badly was your family affected by the hurricane?
Well, we didn't lose power, but 2 of our trees in our backyard fell. There's like a lot of booming, got scared.